Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor. Today's date is 5th November. The topic of this video is access modifiers and non-access modifiers in Java. There are two types of modifiers. First is access modifier and second is non-access modifiers. This access modifier are used to control the visibility of variable, classes or methods, and the non-access modifier are used to provide the functionalities like synchronization or abstraction or final static. So there are four types of the access modifier. First is public, second protected, third default, and fourth private. And there are many numbers of non-access modifiers uh, like uh, static, final, volatile, synchronization, synchronize, abstract, transient. In this video, we will see this access as well as non-access modifiers one by one. First is public access modifier. Uh, Whenever this public access modifier can be used in front of variable, classes or methods. When this access modifier is used in front of a particular function, then this function can be accessible within the same class, within the same package, outside the package of by subclass, as well as the outside of a package. So there are no security will so in the point of view of a security, this public methods will be at a very low level, because outside package can also be used that particular functions. Then second access modifier is a protected. Again, this protected keyword or access modifier can be used in front of variables, a method, or class. Whenever it is declared as a protected, then that particular function can be used can be used within a same class, within same package, then outside package by subclass. Outside package by subclass means this method or variable can be used outside of the package, but if it is using in particular class, then that class should be the child class of the original class in which that method is existing. If uh, if outside package contains another class which is not inheriting this class, then the private method, protected method, cannot be inherit or cannot be used. Then third access modifier is a default access modifier. So the default access modifier provides the visibility within the same package only. All the classes which is present within the same packages can only access the particular method variable or in the class. Then a fourth access modifier is a private. This private access modifier's visibility is within the same class only. So this in the perspective of the security, this private access modifiers are at very high level. Then now we will see the various non-access modifier. The first is abstract. So this abstract is a keyword which can also be used in front of classes and methods. uh, Apart from the programming point of view, the abstract means it is a hypothetical thing, it is not physically present. So this in point of view of this programming language, this method or classes are incomplete. So whenever abstract keyword is written in front of a method, then that method becomes the abstract method. And if a class consists of any single abstract method, then that whole class will be the abstract class, and we have to write the abstract keyword in front of that class name also. uh, Class can contain abstract method as well as non-abstract method. So so it is possible if class is a abstract class, but it does not contain any abstract method. Whenever this abstract method is present in a class, then there should be only a declaration part of that method, and the actual providing the implementation of that method or providing the method body is work of the another class which is extending this abstract class. Then Second non-access modifier is a final. So this uh, final keyword can be used in front of variable methods. Uh, whenever this so as this name suggests, this final access modifier means once the variable or this method or this class is declared as a final, it cannot be modified. The value of this particular variable cannot be changed. If variable is declared as a final, its value cannot be changed. If a method is declared as a final, then this method cannot be override. And final class is only a class is written as final, then we cannot inherit that particular class. Then next non-access modifier is a synchronized. This synchronized keyword is used whenever two thread concept is in picture. For example, the ticket booking concept, the ticket booking app is in for example, if there is a ticket booking app and one person is booking for the there are 4 seats available, one person is booking for 3 seats, so and another same person at the same time booking for 2 seats. So in the point of view of this programming, the person 1 and person 2 will be called as the thread 1 and thread 2. And so this thread 1 and thread 2 are working on the same object at the same time. So it will be data confliction if they are allowed to change this particular object at the same time. So this synchronization key and access modifier will allow them, non-access modifier will allow them to perform these operations on that object one by one. So first, if thread 1 is working on that particular object, then thread 2 will be on hold, and if thread 2 is working on that object, then thread 1 will be one will be on hold. So these are some access and non-access modifiers in Java. Thank you.